2013 Chevy Camaro SS V8. Still got the converters on it, then an X pipe, then where we eliminated the resonator, we threw it away already, but it's usually a giant resonator on these. It goes from all the way here, all the way back. And then we also did a muffler delete right there and right there. And we put 4-inch pipe, 4-inch tips, sorry. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Much better. Chevy Camaros never disappoint. Let you guys hear on the inside. Give a guess. Better? All right, man. Have a good one. Enjoy it, bro. You like it?
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that.